Everybody, welcome to an all new video with Matt. Today I'm going to show you how to make these super easy solar light wine bottles. So stick around, I'm going to show you how. Alright guys, so to get started I'm just going to need to go ahead and get my wine bottles, or how many you guys have to use out there. In my case I just got these two. So what I need to do now is get these labels right here off of them, guys. I'm not worried about getting the top pieces because I think that adds like character to the bottle itself, the little foil tops, but I do want to get the main label that goes around the bottles off, guys. So we're just going to soak that in some warm soapy water to help us remove it. Alright guys, here we go. Just got it in some warm soapy water right here, just letting that going to soak for about an hour or so, and then you should be able to come back and it'll help you to peel those labels off of there really good, guys. So just let that soak and we'll get those peeled off. Alright guys, now we have gotten to the point where they're dried and cleaned off, and we went ahead and put our tape on. Now putting the tape on is not an easy task. You think you would just be able to wrap it around, but not true, guys, being with square tape going around a cylinder object like that. So what you need to do is just kind of start in one place, get an idea of how you want to kind of design your little stripes right there, guys, but get it on there, and you can use knives and stuff and little razor blades and cut out the shapes and stuff like that, guys. So what I did is like I just kind of started in one corner up here, wrapped the piece around, as you can see, all the way to the bottom, just like that right there, and then I did the same thing here and there, and then you get to the point where it gets real like tight. So yeah, I just took like little razor blade and just kind of carved out little spots, just kind of like I did on this one right here. As you can see, like that right there was one big solid piece of tape, and then I just kind of cut that design out right there. So you just have to figure out how you want to design your bottles, right? Make sure you go ahead and get all of the top part right here covered up all the way around. Make sure you get the tops sealed up real nice, and then we'll be ready to spray paint or white paint on there, guys. Alright guys, so now you got your tape patterns all figured out. It's time to hit it with the old spray paint. I'm just using some little flat white right here from Rust-Oleum, the painter's touch right there, guys. Don't want to drench it. You don't want to do all that. No, you just want to give it a light little coat first all the way around and let that dry first. Then you can go back and give it a little second coat. You don't want to just drench it because it's just going to run all over this glass on the bottle, right? So there we go. Here's a little quick example of how I'm going to do it right here. Just give it a good shake. I'm just going to start right here and just going to give it a mist just like that. Right, once you get all of that right there kind of sitting, just let that dry. That's going to give the paint something to adhere to later when we come back and recoat it. So you don't want to go crazy. Like I said, the paint will run like crazy if you do that. Just quick little sprays just like that, and then let that dry. Alright guys, so after that little first initial coating has dried, you can go ahead and throw on another coat. And do that for both of them. Alright guys, now that your bottles have dried and you've thrown on at least 2 coats of paint right there, you can now carefully start taking your tape off, right? But you want to be easy. You don't want to wind up lifting all your paint off or anything like that, but just carefully peel it off just like that right there, guys. Like I said, go slow, don't get in no hurry or nothing like that. Just kind of find your little break spots that you did and get those peeled upwards and off away from where you painted. So go ahead and get both of your bottles, or however many you made just now. Go ahead and get all that tape peeled off. Alright guys, so I got all my tape off. This is how they turned out. Give those a little spin around. Not too bad at all right there. Look pretty cool. And here is this one right here. This was probably my favorite one right here, the way we did that right there. Alright guys, so now pretty much the only thing left to do now is go ahead and stick your little solar lights in the top just like this. Alright guys, so here is our little solar spike light that we got from our local Dollar General right here. Now most of the time they're going to come with these little sticks on there and a little spike inside. I don't recommend using the spikes for this application right here, guys. Now you got two options. One option, guys, is to pretty much take this stick completely off, and you can see it's starting to get a little dark out here, guys. It's almost 9 o'clock, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pop this off just like this. Bam. Comes off super easy. Now you just got that one piece. Now what you can do is just stick that on there and use a little bit of like hot glue or super glue and glue that into place right there, guys, and that one will be done. Or if you want to use your little stick piece, right, if you do want to use your little stick, what you need to do is you need to stick it down as far as it'll let you inside of the bottle, right? And in this case it goes about that much before it feels like, okay, that's just way too much. You'll just measure that right there, that distance, right? Say an inch, right? So you'll take your tape measure from the top right here and measure 1 inch and put you a mark. Now you can take your like a little table saw or use a band saw or even like some PVC cutters and stuff like that and snap that off and stick that part of the stick inside there, right? But what I like to do really though is I just like to take the good old hot glue, put it on this little ledge right here all the way around, guys, and then just pop that into place just like that, guys. So once you've done that, now you're completely done. You can go back and add like any designs you want to. Say you might want to put like a little door down here or somewhere right there, guys. That's completely up to you. Alright everybody, there you have it. The wine bottle solar lights are complete. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Be sure to hit that like button down below and leave a comment to support the channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful week ahead. Peace.